After this report, all the major departments and AAP leaders associated with them are likely to face problems. And let's in fact listen into what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said on that.
अपने हर घोटाले को छिपाने के लिए रोज नई नई साजिशें रची, लेकिन अब दिल्ली का जनादेश आ चुका है। मैं गारंटी दे रहा हूं, पहले विधानसभा सत्र में ही सीएजी की रिपोर्ट सदन में रखी जाएगी। भ्रष्टाचार के हर तार की जांच होगी और जिसने भी लूटा है उसको लौटाना पड़ेगा। ये भी मोदी की गारंटी है।
Arzu, in terms of the CAG report that Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his victory speech also talked about, that he'll be presenting, his government will be presenting the CAG report. What are the details that are coming in, when it will be presented, and what exactly does this entail?
Well, yes, after the majority, after the win in the Delhi Assembly elections, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself went to the party office to interact with the party workers and to thank the public for such mandate. And there also he mentioned in the victory speech that this is the promise of the Prime Minister, that he in the first Assembly session is going to put forward the CAG report. And yes, the newly elected Delhi government is set to be 14 CAG reports in the first Assembly session, covering various departments. If we mention, there are departments like Public Department, Health, Education, Pollution, Yamuna, and these reports are likely to take under the investigation regarding the top leaders, including the former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and other leaders. And that Prime Minister also mentioned that those who have looted have to return back. And also, notably, there is no CAG report has been presented in the Delhi Assembly elections since 2017. So, after 2017, this will be first time if the Bharatiya Janata Party will present the CAG report, because the Aam Aadmi Party since 2017 has not presented any CAG report, and continuously we have seen a lot of protests by the Bharatiya Janata Party's MLAs in the Legislative Assembly. Also, they raised their demands of presenting the CAG reports. But yes, now as the new government has come in the national capital after 27 years, the Bharatiya Janata Party have made their path in the national capital. They are now promising, Prime Minister himself promising that they are going to present the CAG reports, the 14 CAG reports in the first Assembly sessions, and the reports may spell troubles for the key departments and the Aam Aadmi Party leader associated with them. This is what the Bharatiya Janata Party has to say. So this remains to be seen what will be there in the 14 CAG reports, which will be regarding the several departments, whether it's Public Department, Exercise, and also the Health, Education, Pollution, and Yamuna. So there will be a lot of reports that are going to tabled in the new government, and yes, there will be a war of words between both the parties. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you so much for joining us on the telecast and sharing those details.